Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Ulefone Armor X7 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google application and now click on your avatar and then click on settings. Now go to Google Assistant and here click on Hey Google and voice match. And now click here to enable Hey Google. Now click more and I agree, more and I agree. Now click next. Now click start saving audio and images on your device, then click more and I agree. And now click on retry voice match model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click next, next, more, I agree. Now click back, and now click on lock screen. Then click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Hey Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.